Okay, guys, welcome to SabiMentors. I'm super excited that you are interested in our affiliate program, and I can assure you that it will be the most rewarding experience for you because we have the best affiliate program in the entire e-learning industry right now. Now, I will prove that statement to you in a moment. All right, now SabiMentors has a 2 levels deep affiliate program. What this means is that you can earn money from your direct effort, and you can also earn money from the effort of other people. Now, here's how it works. We have a 2 level commission structure, which is the level 1 where you earn from every sale you generate. Secondly, you also earn money from the sale generated by those you refer to the platform. What this means is that you can grow a business with SabiMentors. You can even make money than the owners of the platform. You can even make money than SabiMentors itself. This is like a decentralized system right now, and I'm super excited that I've built something like this. Okay, so now we explain our structure for you right away. Before I do that, let me tell you something. Now, on other platforms, you get to constantly work every time you want to make money. You keep working like a slave every time you want to make money. There is no opportunity for you to earn passive income. There's no opportunity for you to earn money or there's no opportunity for you to grow. You are limited to just your direct effort. But on SabiMentors, it is not like that. All right, you can earn money from the effort of other people. That means you can have thousands of affiliates working for you. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. If you ask me, I prefer to earn $1,000 from the effort of 1,000 people than earn that same $1,000 from my own effort. I don't know if you understand this, but if you do, congratulations. So let's dive right in. Let me explain our affiliate ranks and commissions for you. Now, currently we have 2 affiliate ranks, the basic rank and the premium rank. All right, now on the basic rank you earn 30% per sale you generate. Then on level 2 you earn 10%. Then for lifetime commission you earn 30%. That is to say, if you refer anybody to the platform today and they buy a course today, you get 30%. If they go ahead, let's say next month, to buy another course, you will still get 30%. This is amazing, guys. Now, this is where you can make money from not doing any extra work. We are the only platform that does this right now. Same rule applies for the premium rank. Now, let me tell you something. Currently, you can unlock a premium rank when you become a student or when you buy the Affiliate Boss Super Affiliate System. Now, on your dashboard, you will find details on how you can unlock premium rank. Now, the basic affiliate rank is free. That means you can start today and make all the money in the world for yourself without paying us a dime. That is the beauty of SabiMentors. Now, like I said before, level 1 is your direct referrals, and you get 30 to 40% commissions depending on your rank. If you're on the basic rank, you get 30%. If you're on the premium rank, you get 40% per sale, and it is recurring, meaning that if those people you refer buy any course in the future, you are still going to get paid. And for now, our lifetime is 377 days, but we might reduce it or increase it later on. It depends. Okay, then on level 2 you get 10%, meaning the people that this level 1 brought, if these people bring anybody, and those people they buy a course, you are going to get 10% from their effort. That is to say, you can make money from the effort of your referrals. All right, so that is how it works. Now I believe you understand how it works. Okay, now for example, someone buys a course of 100,000 naira through your link, you are going to get 40% if you're on the premium affiliate rank, and you're going to get 30% if you're on the basic affiliate rank. 30% is 30k of 100k, and 40% is 40k of 100k. So that is for that about that. Then if your indirect referrals buys a course of 100k, you get 10,000 naira. That is on both ranks, whether premium or basic. All right, so that's what that about that. So I believe you understand how our affiliate program works already. So now to sign up, all you have to do is to go to SabiMentors and click on register. Once you register, you fill a form that looks like this. Okay, you fill a form that looks like this. Once you fill that form, then you can now access your affiliate portal here by clicking here. Okay, once you click here, it will take you to your affiliate portal straight, because your account is linked together. Your SabiMentors account is linked to your affiliate account. Okay, so now this is my dashboard. If you are still confused, you can click here to watch the videos that I've made for you to teach you how to navigate the platform. Okay, now this is my affiliate dashboard right now, as you can see. So I currently have 114,000 naira earnings here. Okay, now as you can see, 712 current balance, withdrawn earnings 113. So now I'm going to show you a live transaction so that you understand that this platform works and you don't have any doubt with your promotion, so that you can go aggressively. Okay, so let's dive right in. So now I'll go to my marketing product links and get a particular product I want to promote. Okay, so I'll promote the funnel design made easy course. By the way, this is the best funnel design course in Nigeria right now. It will teach you how to design funnels very easily. Okay, so now let me get my affiliate link. So click here to get your affiliate link. For instance, click here, then copy. Now you can shorten this link with a platform like bit.ly. Okay, you on your own go ahead and learn about that. Okay, so now let's say we have copied this affiliate link now, and we've sent it to anybody, or we pasted it online, and somebody clicks on this affiliate link. Once they buy a course, we are going to get paid. So now let me prove it to you right away. So I'll use a different browser. Okay, so I'll use Brave browser for this. So now I'll paste the link here. Okay, I'll paste the link here. So as you can see, this is the link to the course. All right, this is the link to the course. Let me paste again so you see. This is the link to the course. Okay, so now once anybody buys this course, you are going to get paid. So let me buy the course in your presence. All right, so click add to cart. Okay, so first name Kevin King, enter a phone number that is not real, because I'm just trying to do something very fast. Okay, because I want to just make a test transaction. All right, so I'm paying with debit card and I'm paying the full amount. So I'll click I have read, then place order. Okay, so I'll place an order with my debit card right now in your presence, so that you will see that I will earn money from that transaction. Take note, we add 114,000 here. Okay, so you don't think it is manipulated. So let me buy now. So I will enter my card details right now. So then pay, click on pay, my pin. Then after that, I will enter my token, or enter the code is sent to my phone. So let me enter the code. Okay, authorize. So let's watch and see. Now, as you can see, payment successful. Now, once payment is successful, they will instantly have access to the course they purchased, right? They will instantly have access. Okay, so now we are going to wait for it to load our access page, as you can see. So once we click here now, we can start taking the course. For instance, your student can start taking the course. So they come here, click on start course. Now, as you can see, they can start learning right away. If you play, you see, as you can see, they can start learning right away. So now let me go back to my affiliate dashboard to confirm if I was credited for this transaction. Okay, so let's see. Let's reload. 114. Wow. 115, 9, 13. So let's go back now and see our referrals. Let's see. So as you can see, 1,910. All right, because I'm on the premium rank and I got 40%. Okay, so free amount for signing up. All right, so as you can see, our affiliate system works and it's very simple and straightforward, nothing complicated. So you go ahead, go aggressive, pick a product to promote and promote aggressively. Don't jump from one product to another every now and then. Pick a product and promote it for at least 3 months. Okay, don't promote one today, tomorrow promote a different one. No, pick one product. If you're going to pick funnel design, pick. If you're going to pick website design, pick. If you're going to pick Amazon KDP, pick. If you're going to pick graphic design, e-commerce, freelancing, mini potential, pick that one course and promote aggressively, improve, create content, run advertisements, build connections and all that. So I wish you the best of luck in your promotions. If you need assistance, feel free to ask your questions in the affiliate community. I'll be there to answer you. If you are still confused, click on this link here to watch the video tutorials I created on the page. All right, and once again, if you need a super affiliate system where you get everything done for you, where I've done the work for you, like I've done the work for you, the copy I've written them for you, the art copy I've done them for you, the graphics I've done them for you, the funnels, the sales funnels I've designed them for you. I've done everything for you. All you have to do is to plug and play. Then the affiliate boss super affiliate system is a must for you. All right, you can click here, you can click on unlock premium to learn more about how you can get the course and unlock 40%. All right, so it is optional, but I highly recommend it for you. Okay, so one love, guys. See you in the next video because it never ends. I keep on looking for ways to educate you and help you do better. Peace out, guys. One love.